Are you ready for the ultimate home remodel? The ultimate living experience? You need help from the experts at CabX Construction, where they specialize in custom designs, remodeling, cabinet work, home additions, kitchens, baths, pretty much anything you think of when it comes to designing your dream home.
At CabX Construction, we are a fully licensed design, build, remodel company that also has a cabinet company, which is Cabinets Extraordinaire. We are known for our quality remodels from Inglewood's Siesta Key to all the keys in Sarasota, Florida, Lakewood Ranch, all the way to Parrish. So we are just about to launch GarageManCave.com, which is a full garage build-out company. We can design from full garage man caves with bars, garage lifts, motorcycle lifts, to just basic garage storage, epoxy floors, snap lock floors, and slat wall systems.
A lot of people are using their garage space for more than just parking their cars. It used to be a big space for nothing but storage, and it was never entertaining space. Nowadays, people are turning them into man caves. They're doing their bars and their get-togethers and the football rooms and showing off the collectible cars that they have. So with GarageManCave.com, we're able to utilize and bring together all those spaces into one living space that is multifunctional for the client.
As a licensed contractor and design build firm, CabX is there for you every step of the way.
When you come to us and we're giving you a price, we're hard pricing it. So the difference is we're not giving you allowances. We're actually working with you to make all of the selections so that when we come to the table and give you a price, it's from everything that we've picked out for your space. Because we do it the way that we do, where we are hard pricing and we are giving you those numbers, we're able to kind of eliminate as much of the question marks as possible. Starting the design process, I looked to work with the clients on from inspiration photos. So we start there and then take that and customize it into the design for their space. So we bring that into programs like AutoCAD and 2020 and Chief Architect, so we can get 3D models or floor plans for their space, so that as we're having those conversations and working on the design, we're really kind of nailing down all the details for them.
Meanwhile, when it comes to your cabinets, CabX has some great ideas to share.
We've got over 5 different cabinet lines within the showroom that you see here, each line containing anywhere from 2 to 4 lines. So we're able to create a space that meets most budgets, whether it be your typical normal everyday project to your highest end luxury products. We have the products in-house, from tile to cabinets, countertops, even lighting and plumbing fixtures, that we all offer as part of our services to the client to keep it as easy a shopping experience as possible.
With so much expertise, why wouldn't you want the CabX team to design your dream home?
So we are a one-stop remodel company, from the design work, architectural, engineering, all the way to the custom build out. So when you walk through our doors, you are greeted by a designer who will take you on a tour through our showroom and show you all the products that we have to offer.
So when we're designing with our clients and considering different family components and different family dynamics, we're asking those questions, how are you going to use this space? Do you want it to be low maintenance, or do you want something like a marble, which is a little more maintenance? So we're having those conversations, we're asking those questions. So if you have kids, you don't want marble necessarily on your floors or your countertops. You might want to go with something a little more robust, like a porcelain tile or even a luxury vinyl for the floor to get that wood look, so that we're really kind of helping cater to how that client is living and how they're going to need to utilize the space.
We had to ask, could wallpaper be making a comeback?
It is, however, this isn't grandma's wallpaper. We're tearing that off every day in homes. Today's papers are more about textures and movements and brilliant colors and bringing life to a space versus a floral pattern of the old.
Here are a few final thoughts.
Zoom calls from your home office, it's a cool opportunity to really kind of play with your space, bring some other elements in from around the house, a plant or some books, and really jazz up your background so that you separate yourself from your colleagues.
Each design I do is unique to the client itself. I don't like to copy and paste designs. I want to build the space around the client, as functionality is going to be the most important aspect of any design.
Have fun with it, be creative, and don't be afraid to step outside the box.
At CabX Construction, we say, why settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary?
For more information about CabX Construction, visit cabxconstruction.com and GarageManCave.com. Of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv.